In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to delete your OneXBet account. You have to have a professional OneXBet account, and to do that, you click on the big green register button. When you do that, you have different registration options, but we're using the first one, click. When you do that, on your promo code section, you input your promo code Chelsea TV. And when you are done inputting your promo code Chelsea TV, you click on the big green register button below, and then you get a 300% bonus on your first deposit, which means when you deposit 10,000 naira, you get 40,000 naira. So back to our video. You click on menu if you want to delete your OneXBet account, then click on the settings button above. When you're done clicking on the settings button above, you scroll to the bottom line. When you scroll to the bottom line, as you can see, the only thing we have there is log out of account. We go back and then click on customer support. When you click on customer support, you click on chat with operator. When you do that, you input on your keyboard, hello there, I would love to delete my OneXBet account. When you're done texting that to the customer operator, and then you click on the send button. When you do that, you'll be sent a message on how to delete your OneXBet account.